The Kenwood Head Units provide us with an entry-level option and a more advanced option. This is the entry-level option with a 7-inch screen display. This head unit supports both wired and wireless functions including Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay and radio. Here you can see one of the menu options which shows HDMI and USB that can be plugged into this head unit. You can see that we can select radio stations, and there is a great choice of radio stations that you can listen to through your motorhome. By pressing this button here, this takes you to your CarPlay. This displays all the apps on your phone and you are able to use them while on the road. Kenwood have paired with Sidekick, which is a motorhome friendly navigation system. You will be provided with a unique code which unlocks motorhome friendly routes. You can set your dimensions and even download the maps. This is great if you're worried about your data usage. You can download maps from all over the globe onto your phone, which goes through the system. This providing you with motorhome friendly routes without you needing to worry about how much data you're using while travelling. Moving on to the slightly more advanced head unit, this comes in with a 10-inch screen. You have the same sort of facilities on this screen, such as your Apple CarPlay, with lots of additional features making this slightly more advanced. Much like the first system, you are able to use your apps through the screen, including playing music off apps such as Spotify. And one thing that's slightly different about this screen is you're able to tilt and angle it to mean there's no sun glare while travelling. This means you can see your screen at all times. We also have a large volume button in the centre of the screen, perfect for when you need to turn your music up or down. We still have the same sort of options as on the previous screen with your HDMI and USB. One of the biggest differences between the two screens is the navigation system. You can run the sat-nav on this screen without using your phone. This is through the Sky GPS. This sat-nav will give you the optimal route for your motorhome, ensuring that you avoid slim roads and bridges. You are able to input your vehicle dimensions so that the sat-nav can avoid taking you down routes that your vehicle will not be able to travel down. You are able to display the sat-nav using a split screen feature, meaning that you can also see out of your rear view camera. This sat-nav also provides you with places to stay and places to visit that are friendly to your motorhome. This feature comes in really handy when looking for campsites last minute while on the road, as it also provides you with a picture of where you're going. For more information, head on down to us here at Travelworld, where you can check out this display for yourself with a salesman there to help you along the way.